As you can see, my Epson printer ran out of yellow ink, so I went ahead and refilled the tank. But after the refill, when I tried to make a color copy, the yellow channel still wasn't printing. This happens because the ink line hasn't fully reprimed yet, and there's usually air trapped between the tank and the printhead. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to restore the yellow ink flow and get your color output. So the next step is to perform a manual printhead cleaning using the physical button on the printer. To start the process, press and hold the stop button for about 5 seconds. Then release it. You'll hear the printer make a loud mechanical noise. This indicates that the printhead cleaning cycle has begun. Now, wait until the power light stops flashing. As long as the light is blinking, the cleaning is still in progress. Once the power light becomes steady, the cleaning cycle is complete. Now I'll run another color copy to check if the yellow channel is restored. If the first cleaning doesn't work for you, you can repeat this process 1 to 3 times. Just make sure to leave a 1-minute pause between each cleaning cycle to avoid overheating the printhead. In my case, the first cleaning cycle was successful, so I don't need to repeat it. The yellow channel is back, and the printer is now producing a proper full-color output. And if you still have issues after multiple cleanings, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be happy to help.